Probably got 20.
The crowds are gathering around the stadium. The stadium's starting to fill up quickly. It really is filling up quickly as people gather for the rest of come to the area, and nearly finished on the bronzes, the silvers. So the next team I'm looking at is the Czech Republic, waiting for their silver medals. Who is the medal? I think this is the medal medal presentation from last night for the Premier Open, which is the men's 1,000 meters.
Silver medalist, Team Czech Republic.
And now the procession starts.
Yep, standard boat, Senior A, Master Dragons, mixed 500 meters race 87 is on the way. Lane 1 is Slovak Republic, lane 2 Poland, lane 3 Canada, lane 4 Germany, and lane 5 Ukraine. There we are, the first few strokes. Once they get up on the water there, then it's only when they get 350 meters that you really can see who's pulling it out. It's unlike the 1,000 meters when you've got a long coasting in the middle. Here you've got to contract your ideas about how long you spend in which kind of stroke. I'm next to a door with a very loud speaker very close by, so we have to keep it closed as much as possible. Senior A, the Master Dragons, over 40. Still pretty strong by the look of it, but Germany and Canada are leading the way here, but don't discount the Slovak Republic. That's good timing there, Canada. That's interesting. Germany probably just heading Canada there. Germany the second from the top. Germany and Canada, but don't count out Poland, who are really pressing hard. This is great, and the camera angle will soon give us a true reading. I think I'm looking for Canada now. Oh, that's close. Canada, Germany, Poland, on the far side, Ukraine, and the Slovak Republic. Another great race. So there they go now, running down, catching the breath.
Oh, well, I hope you that last heat. We are now waiting for the Germans to come through for their gold medals. The men's team is going to be coming through to the medal roster to get their gold medals from the IDBF officials. The Czech Republic have just received their silvers, and any moment now the Germans will be coming in. It is going to be now.
Gold medalist,
Here they come.
Germany.
The familiar colours of the German team as they walk towards the medal roster. This medal... The results of that last race was Canada 2 minutes 2.7, Germany 2 minutes 3.2, Poland 2 minutes 4.2, Ukraine 2 minutes 5.1, and Slovak Republic 2 minutes 8.1. That was the standard boat heat 2 senior A mixed. We're at the roster waiting for the Germans. They are now receiving their gold medals from proud IDBF President Mike Haslam, a man who's spent or devoted virtually a huge part of his life to developing this sport. Most of the sport has been through the sheer will and persistence and determination and enthusiasm of all the volunteers to make this happen. He must be just so proud to see how this sport has developed from only a handful of founding members back in Hong Kong in 1991. So in 20 years he's brought the sport to this level, and it has a good future, a bright future. It is an exciting dragon boat sport like no other. Very shortly it is the national anthem of Germany. The national anthem of Germany will be playing any moment soon. This is, of course, the Premier Open 1,000 meters men's. For those who don't understand some of the terminology. Also, one of the officials from Hungary, from the Dragon Boat Federation, is also presenting medals with Mike Haslam, the IDBF president. They are concluded.
For the national anthem of Germany.
All silent for Germany.
Congratulations to Germany, Czech Republic, and USA.
Very proud moment for Germany. Very proud moment for Germany. Listen to the crowd talking away. Those Germans. Mike, I've got Mike Haslam with me, the IDF president. Welcome, Mike. Nice to see you around the grounds.
Yeah, pleased to be here, finally.
Isn't it lovely, these medal presentations?
Oh, yeah. I mean, you know, all that effort and all those people, that's what the sport's about, isn't it? You know, and they're all enjoying themselves as well.
Well, I've never seen a miserable dragon boater unless they've just lost out on a medal.
Yeah, normally the fourth place.